I was born and raised in the local area and have witnessed and been involved with several different wildfire scenarios, both on the San Francisco peaks and around the greater Flagstaff area. The biggest benefit for the trail crew work that we're doing on the mountain, it's actually a benefit from a forest health standpoint because the stuff that we're taking out allows either different plant growth or newer trees to regen.
Our forest here is really overgrown. There's a bunch of fuel on the ground that has just been falling for 40, 60, 80 years. If a fire were to roll through this area, it would absolutely decimate this ski area that we know and love. So what we're trying to do is artificially create this fire break and clean up these forest floors.
A healthy forest is important for all of us. It's important for recreation, it's important for our community, and it's important for our well-being. In partnership with the U.S. Forest Service, we're committed to a healthy forest and reducing the chance of wildland fires here at Arizona Snowbowl.